What's up, guys? We're gonna do a Treatland unboxing video. The new parts I got. I'm using my chest mount font for the camera, so if it's weird, let me know. That's my daughter. Yeah, we got some treats. Got a new tail light, lens. Oh yeah, that's what I've been looking forward to. She's probably gonna go grab that light. It's okay. Oh wow. The new shocks. Wow. Alright. Careful with them, it's heavy. Another one. Finally. An air filter for my carburetor. These are for my front forks. Instead of gray, we're gonna go with the black. Basically going all black, except for the wheels. Maybe I'll paint those black in the future. But I think the black shocks and the black fork dust cover is gonna be a great mix. Is that right, Mama? Yeah. Sound like she said, hell yeah. Alright. Oh man, I'm looking forward to this. The Tomos A35 Service and Repair Manual. Holy shit. Oh, there goes my one of my head gaskets, or both of them actually. Oh man, that's sweet. Check that out, Mama. Try not to tear any pages. What is this? I'm gonna have to divert her attention away from that. She's about to tear a page. Look, Mama. Whoa, what is this? See, look, she's about to tear that page. What is that? Let me see this. Thank you. Did they give me stickers? Oh, okay. Nice. There's more. But wait. Alright. These are the new wheel bearings. Got some new wheel bearings. I don't know what the other ones are like. The ones that came with the moped. And more bulbs. We'll put those away. Glass in there. Yeah, Mama. You can put that back in there if you want to. We got anything else? That should be it. But yeah, let me lay everything out together and. Alright, I got everything laid out. So we have some black fork dust covers, some black shocks, new tail light lens because the other one cracked. Got a couple jets just to make the tuning a little bit more fine. Two different head gaskets. One's a soft, thick crush type. The other one's a thin metal. I'm gonna try both of them out just to see which one's better. We have wheel bearings. We got the spacers right here and engine studs. because the other one's looking gnarly. And we have a new air filter and the Tomos A35 service and repair manual, and some badass Delorto stickers. Thanks for watching, guys. Stay tuned. I'm going to put all these on, and then that'll be another video. Thank you. Thanks again for watching.